Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make Cooler's final form in Xenoverse 2. First, you'll need to ensure your character meets the specific conditions to unlock this powerful transformation. We'll cover the essential steps, from completing certain quests to gathering the right items. Getting Cooler's final form involves a clear progression path, and I'll guide you through each stage to make the process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get started on transforming your character into this iconic form. To unlock Cooler's final form, your character must first reach a certain level, typically around level 60 or higher, to access the relevant quests. The key is completing the Emperor's New Clothes parallel quest, which is crucial for progression. During this quest, you'll face both Frieza and Cooler, and defeating them is essential. Make sure your character is well-equipped and ready for these challenging battles to secure your path to the transformation. Once you have Cooler's final form, optimizing your character's build is next. Consider allocating your attribute points strategically, focusing on either Strike Supers or Kai Blast Supers, depending on your preferred playstyle. Equipping Super Souls that provide a significant boost to your attack or defense, often around 15%, will greatly enhance your power. Additionally, selecting Z-Souls that extend the duration of your transformation will maximize your time in this formidable state. Mastering Final Form Cooler involves consistent practice to perfect your combos, aiming to maximize your damage output by at least 20%. Learn to effectively utilize Cooler's unique abilities, like his Death Beam and Supernova, for strategic advantage in battles. These skills can turn the tide against tough opponents. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Keep practicing, and you'll dominate the battlefield with Cooler's incredible power.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.